Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me? Do you love me? Do you love me?
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Good ride for everybody. Midway point after the big wave tonight.
Everybody, ride at your own risk. Try to be safe.
We don't want no accidents. We don't want nobody to get hurt. Just have fun today.
Just have fun today.
Feeling good. The bike was fast.
Damn, son.
Whoa! Look at him all sweaty too, man. It's a pretty good ride. It's pretty chill, to be honest.
You having fun?
Yeah, it was good.
Are you out there killing the streets?
You know it. Catch me outside. How about that?
Anything you gotta say to your fans?
Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though.
One of each,
I'm
bro.
sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's
amazing. It's actually hands down my favorite ride ever.
That was pretty sick. That was nice. Yeah, that was good.
Wait, what? Oh, it was great. I love the turnout. Yeah.
It was actually pretty nice. It was hot, but I was cool in the car. Good ride.
It was alright. Tired. I had a gorilla on my back all day today. A white fucking gorilla.
It's an awesome weekend. It's a good ride, good race. I wish I could have came Friday so I could party. I wish I could stay right now, but I have to go to fucking work. It was awesome. I loved it. Always. Writer's block.
I loved it. It was so fun. What did you think of this weekend?
Well, I thought it was great. It was great hanging out with these guys. It was great hanging out with all these guys. And it's what, the third year in a row so that I've gone to. So, I mean,
I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No, I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know.
What the fuck is this?
I'm gonna speak for
Ask
him, but
this
dude,
guy how he felt about
he
it.
felt like I felt. My bike was broken. I felt like this whole weekend I was working on my shit. I was really upset. I had a resting bitch face all day at the track. But today, my shit was working great because a lot of the homies went through and came through and brought the parts and shit. I can't thank them enough. So you guys see this fucking video.
Don't put your resting bitch face on.
Yeah, don't.
Just come to ride and have a good time.
I'm
And that's
grateful
all
that
it's
I don't
about.
have to-
What we achieved is everyone having a good time. How I feel? I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building. It was awesome, and it's awesome sauce to everyone. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Dorby Works, The Ruck Shop. You're gonna edit this? Dro Sports. I'd like to thank MASH, Moped and Scooter homies. Thanks, Hammies. Sonato Built Garage.
Riders Black.
I'd like to thank Steady.
But you know what? We still love Pat though. Even though he's totally against Chinese parts. But the engine though.
Damn, you're hella close. Chaz Elise. Honestly, I'm just glad everybody had a good time. This is our first time doing drag racing, bike show at that. I think it turned out pretty well. We got a lot to learn and improve on for next year, so it should be bigger and better. Yeah, come out next year. I think the ride was good. It's always a good time going to the beach and the ocean, so. Go follow and subscribe right now.